Welcome dear learners. I hope you have seen my last video in which I taught you how to install AutoCAD. I have installed AutoCAD on my PC. A red color icon naming AutoCAD 2022 will be appearing on your screen. We are going to start learning AutoCAD from today's lecture. This is our first learning lecture. In previous lecture I have discussed about how to install AutoCAD and how to get AutoCAD in your PC. I hope everyone have installed AutoCAD in your PC. Now you have to double click on AutoCAD 2022 icon. When you will double click on AutoCAD icon, then it will open like this. This is the interface of your AutoCAD. Basically there is minor differences in this interface from the previous version, but I will show you how we are going to start the AutoCAD. Basically when you start the AutoCAD interface, you will see a start tab. Start tab means from here you can start your drawing process or making some model process, but you cannot create anything in this interface. If you want to create something, then you have to click on new. When you will be clicking new, then a new drawing will be appearing on the screen. It says you new drawing in tab. Along with the start tab, you will get a drawing tab. It means at the start tab, you have to learn that how to start your AutoCAD. You have some sample drawings which is inbuilt inside the AutoCAD, and you will have drawings in the past you have created. Now we will go to the drawing 1. Basically this is your working interface. So before starting sketching process in the AutoCAD, I will show you the interface items which are available in AutoCAD window. First of all, along with this AutoCAD, you have to make some notes. What are the different type of toolboxes, etc. I will be starting a OneNote window here, in which I will write the stepwise information which are needed to you. Basically in the interface here, at the top right corner you will see a icon that is called AutoCAD menu. So I will be telling you what type of menus are available in AutoCAD. Basically I am going to cover the interface of the AutoCAD. Interface means when you start your application, then this whole screen is called interface, in which you will interact with the softwares. So starting inside of the AutoCAD, you have to know what type of interfaces are there, what type of menus are there. There is basically one top bar, black color, in which you are seeing AutoCAD 2022 or whichever version you have. It shows you the version of the AutoCAD. After that you will see drawing 1. It means you are working on drawing 1. You can rename the drawing. If you are making a nut part, then you will rename that. Then drawing 1 will be replaced with nut. It means you can name your drawing as you want. So basically I want to tell you that one top bar is called application menu. So the first top bar is called application menu. application menu basically controls the full application. It means it has full control over your application. You have at the top left corner you have AutoCAD icon, a red color A button, that is called AutoCAD menu. So the second you will get, that is AutoCAD menu. AutoCAD menu. After the just AutoCAD menu, you will see a small arrow button. When you click that small arrow button, then you will get a interface that is called AutoCAD menu. In it you will get a new means it is same as Office tools. In the new you will create a new drawing. Open, you will open your saved drawings which you have created earlier. In save, you will save your work. Save as means if you want to save your drawings in another format like PDF, like image, then you can save as. Import means you want to bring some other applications drawings. Suppose you have created the drawings in SolidWorks and you want to import it in AutoCAD, then you can import it from here. Export means if you want to send your drawing to some other application, then you can export. Basically, import means you want to use other applications drawings, and export means you want to send your drawing to other application. Publish means you want to print or share anyone else. Using print command, you can print your drawing on particular size you want to print. Drawing utilities, there are some other applications which you can use with your drawing, like audit, checking, etc. You can do using that. Basically, this is major controls which you can do with your drawings. It means this is like a main menu of any Office software. You can see here new, open, save. It means what you can perform with your drawing, that is controlled by AutoCAD menu. After this AutoCAD menu, when you will open this AutoCAD menu, then you have to click one time on the AutoCAD arrow, then you will have to save. So for the easy and convenience, they have created one quick access menu here, in which you are seeing the symbols of same controls which were inside this AutoCAD button. You are seeing new, icon of the new is here. After the open, you have open icon here, save icon here. These icons are created as a shortcut on the quick access menu. So basically, after AutoCAD menu, you will get a quick access menu. Quick access menu. Basically, what it does, it saves your one click. It saves your one click. Basically, AutoCAD is created for the productivity, means saving time, for accuracy, so that you can present your design intent accurately, and at the same time convenience of use. So basically, we will be working on saving space, saving time, and avoiding the errors. So quick access menu basically saves your one click. From the AutoCAD menu, you have to click on the arrow, one click. Then you have to click on import, export, save, etc. This is 2 click. But on the quick access menu, you can directly go and click. Basically, I want to say using this that in AutoCAD, you can perform the tasks in many ways. Using AutoCAD menu, you can create a new open save. You can quick access menu, create new and save. You can just click on the tabs, a plus button existing here, you can click plus, a new drawing will be appearing. It means you can create a new drawing from here. You can create a new drawing from the start also. If you click on new drawing, drawing 3 will be appearing. It means you can perform same task from the multiple places using AutoCAD menu, using quick access menu, using this plus button, and using your start tab also. It means AutoCAD provides you flexibility of starting your drawing from multiple places. The same thing will be created. One more thing you have to focus. Here we are saying drawing 1. At the drawing 1, you are seeing a star button. At the drawing 2, you are not seeing your star button. Star button shows you that you have created something. And you haven't saved till now. It means unsaved work is existing in drawing 1. If you save that, then the star will be disappearing. So basically we are learning the menus. We have covered till now. If I want to create a list, then you will be getting AutoCAD menu, quick access menu, and start tab. All these places are used to start your drawing. Just after this, we are getting a second line below the application menu. That line is showing insert, annotate, parametric, view, manage, etc. It means this strip which is showing you different type of command, that is called universal menu. Universal menu. It is called universal because it contains all the commands, all commands of AutoCAD. All commands of AutoCAD. It means this is a menu. If you not getting any tool, then you can find from here. At the home, you will get different type of tools. At the insert, a different type of tools. At the annotate, different type of tools. We are discussing now this second line only. Home, insert, parametric. Name of that menu is called universal menu. It has all the commands, but it has approximately 60,000 commands. So learning all the commands is not possible for everyone. So everyone learns a specific set of commands which is required for his function. A mechanical engineer learns different command, a civil engineer learns different commands, and electrical engineer learns different commands. It means you can categorize these commands in different application environment. In different application environment. For mechanical there is different environment, for civil there is different environment. But overall, if you see, then this universal menu has all the commands existing in the AutoCAD. This is the third menu. After that, you are seeing a white strip here. I am hovering my mouse here. A white strip from right hand side to left side complete. That is called ribbon. That strip is called ribbon. Third is called your ribbon. In ribbon, you have different set of commands. Suppose if I want to show you, then I can click on drag and click on draw, and I can drag it to different place. I can drag it outside. I can click and drag, modify also to the different place. But when I am dragging these, a black color space is leaving behind. That black space is called ribbon. It means ribbon contains different set of tools. It means ribbon is space only, and it contains different type of command sets. Contains different command sets. Set means a same type of group of commands. Contains different type of command set. They have similar type of functions. Basically, we are saying here annotation. It performs basically dimensioning work. On modify, you can cut, trim, extend, means you can modify your existing drawing parts, and in draw you can create your drawing. These are different set of tools which are present here, but ribbon holds these commands. So ribbon is only place, and after the ribbon there are set of commands that are called tool palettes. You have to learn the name. It will be useful during your interviews. Tool palette. It means this is annotation tool palette. First one, if I discuss about that, then you have annotate tool palette. Like in the flower, if I take a rose flower, then there will be different type of palettes in the flower. If I discuss about the flower, the leaves, different type of leaves which are covering, these are called palettes of the rose. In similar way, our ribbon is a space in which tool palettes are arranged. Like in the rose, there are several leaves in same bunch. In the same way, we have ribbon and we have tool palettes embedded in the ribbon. Those are called tool palettes. After that, a second tool palette is called modify. Next is draw. These are called tool palettes. So basically, these tool palettes are incorporated in the ribbon. You can drag and drop them at any place. Use draw. This is called floating. If your tool is floating inside the black area, then you have two type of views. One is floating. Floating means your tool palette is floating inside the black area. That is called workspace. In this position, you can see that your draw tool palette is floating inside the black area. That is called floating view. And if I drag that, to its original position at it was, then it will be inside, that is in the if it is in pallet in the ribbon place, then that is called docked position. Docked position. Docked position means your tool pallet is embedded in the ribbon. This is called embedded in ribbon. Floating means floating in workspace. Floating in workspace. So there is basically two positions where you can see your tool pallets. One is floating condition and second is docked condition. I am moving all the tools to the docked position from where I have dragged them. So this is your basic primary set. If I switch from home tab to insert tab, then you will get different set of pallets. And I switch to annotate, then I will get a different. It means each tab is containing different type of tool pallets embedded in the ribbon. Basically, if I discuss about the interface, then you will get a ribbon, you will get a tool pallet, and your tool pallets will be in two positions. One is floating position and second is embedded position, that is called docked position.